Next 4.2 third sum. So given a vertical stick of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 400 centimeter along the ground. So I can take the vertical stick, right? So this is 6 meter long and shadow it will form on a ground 400 centimeter. Okay, and at the same time a tower cast a shade of 28 meter along. Okay, this is sticked and then I can take the tower. Okay, so this is tower. Okay, at the same time the tower, right, cast the shadow on the ground, how many meters? 28 meter. Okay, so this is shadow of stick and this is the shadow of tower, right? Shadow of tower they given 28 meter. Okay, so shadow of tower we can take 28 meter. So both shadows are forming on the same point. So I can join this diagram. So like that we can get. Okay, so vertical stick and tower. So stick form the shadow on the ground 400 centimeter and then tower, right, shadow of the tower forming on the ground is 28 meter. Now you want to find height of the tower you want to find. Okay, so here tower and the stick perpendicular to the ground, so it will form a 90 degree. So I can take this A, B, C, D and E. Okay, given AB is not given, right? So AB I need, no need. AC is equal to, they given 28 meter. AC is equal to 28 meter and BC is equal to 400 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 meter. And then you want to find AE. AE is height of tower, it is not given, so you want to find, right? So AC, BD, all those are meter, but here BC is centimeter. So this centimeter you want to change to meter, right? So I can change to meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I can divide it by 100, right? We can get 4 meter. So we can get BC is equal to 4 meter, right? Now you want to find the height of the tower, right? So these are given. Now you want to prove the triangles are similar. Okay, so I can take the triangle, right? Take the triangles. First one I can take ACE. First triangle I can take ACE, first one, and then next I can take BDC. BDC. I can take the two triangles. Here angle A is equal to 90 degree and here angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so in triangle ACE and triangle BCD, right, two triangles, right, angle A is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle B 90 degree, right, and then C is common, both triangles C is common, so angle C is common. So two angles are equal, therefore by A similarity the two triangles are similar. So we can get triangle ACE is similar to triangle BCD. Now we can prove the two triangles are similar. Then next you want to find height of the tower you want to find, right? So AE is not given, so we can take H. AC is equal to 28. AC is equal to 28. BD is equal to 6. And then BC they given 400 centimeter. That one we can change to meter, no. So BC is equal to 4 meter. Now you want to find H, right? So the triangles are similar, then the sides of ratios are equal. So we can use the sides of ratios. So sides of ratio, here it will come AE by BD. AE by BD, right? First sides of ratio. And then second one, AB is equal to BC. Second one, AC equal to BC. Second side, AC is equal to BC. Now take and substitute the values. A is equal to H, and then BD is equal to 6, AC is equal to 28, and BC is equal to 4, right? So we can divide 1 4 is 4, 7 4s are 28. Then next we can take cross multiple. H is equal to 42 meter. That is height of the tower. So height of tower we can get 42 meter. So this is question number 3. So next question number 4. They given two triangles QPR and QSR, right angle at P and S respectively, are drawn on the same base QR, right? So two triangles having the same base, the base is QR, right? So I can take that base QR. Now I want to draw the two triangles. First one QPR, right? First one Q. So I can take P and then R. So first triangle QPR, and then second triangle QSR, and the next second triangle we can draw like that, QSR. Okay, two triangles we can draw the same base QR, and then next they given P and S. P and S, it is a right angle. So right angle form at P and S. So here P is 90 degree and S also 90 degree. Right? So given right angle at P and S. So I can take P is 90 degree and S also 90 degree. And the next they given on the same base the side of QR. If PR and SQ, so PR and SQ intersect at T. So the two lines PR and SQ intersect the point T. Then you want to prove that PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. You want to prove this one. Okay, so we can draw the two triangles QPR and then QSR, both of them having the same base QR, right? So angle P and angle S form a right angle triangle they given, and the line PR and the line the line SQ intersect at T. Now you want to prove this result. Okay, so you want to prove this result. So first I can, using the similarity, I want to prove the triangles are similar, and then I can find the result. Okay, so here two triangles I can take it here. First one QPT, right? So first I can take the triangle QTP, right, sir? QPT. Second one STR, I can take these two triangles, right? Because here the two triangles are having the opposite angles T, right? So I can take these two triangles, okay, here angle T and here also angle T, right? In these two triangle, which angle is common? Right? Angle T is common. So take these two triangles. In these two triangles, first you want to prove the triangles are similar. Okay, va? So in this two triangle, first angle T is common. Angle T is common angle, and the next they given angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle S also they given 90 degree. Question itself they given the angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle S is equal to 90 degree. So I can take this condition, angle P equal to angle S equal to 90 degree. Okay, so now 90 degree and T is common angles. So by A similarity, we get the triangles are similar. So what are the triangles here? A QPT, triangle QPT is similar to triangle STR. So now the two triangles are similar, we have to prove. Right? Now we can the result, triangle QPT is similar to triangle STR. Now you want to prove which one you want to prove. Right? This result you want to prove. Okay. So now I can take the sides of ratios of triangle. Okay. So take the sides of ratios of triangle. Right here PT, and then here corresponding side is ST. Okay. So PT by ST, first corresponding sides PT and here ST, and then second corresponding side QT, okay, is equal to QT by here the corresponding side TR. Okay, so I can take these two alone. Next we can take the cross multiple, PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. So we want to find that result only. No, what is the result? PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. The same result we can find here. Okay, so this is question number 4.